My country people I throw salute. You know welcome for football in Virginia. After match, talk am how you see am. The World Cup don't come, it don't go. But we just watched the World Cup final finish for area here. And we there with one Ogbonge personality wey name na Oga Austin. Oga Austin, now how you see the two teams performance for this final? Because this final, to me, is sweet well for Bele. But how you see am? Talk am how you see am.
Omo like your word, the final sweet well for belle. I never watch final like this once. Especially World Cup final, come go end like this, 3-3. World Cup na very tough World Cup. And kudos to Mbappe and Messi, they try. But e clear say number 10 pass number 10 for this final. You see how say Messi at the end, na him come win the cup. Although Mbappe steal the show, but Messi win the cup.
So, but you as a football fan now, any debate still there, Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi, because that I want dragging whether they drag the come for area assist. They even drag out today for a year for doing this match. Any debate there between Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi now?
No. This one don settle everything. Messi and Ronaldo, we no wan hear their argument again. This one don clear. Messi is the GOAT. As from next season now, na GOAT dem go dey write for Messi jersey. Na him be the GOAT now.
So when they write Messi by Messi?
No. More no argue am again. Messi good pass Ronaldo. E don clear now. Anybody argue am again, we go arrest am for going against the law of football. Say Ronaldo good pass Messi or Ronaldo good reach Messi.
So Oga Austin, now which goalkeeper for this tournament you go say na him be the best goalkeeper for this World Cup?
Left for me o, na Morocco keeper I go pick o. But for the final, na this Argentina keeper. Although despite this final, the keeper dey try. Even for the quarter final also, the semi final he try. I remember when they play, Messi say na he suppose win the man of the match. Say no know why they go give am. So na this Martinez na very fine keeper and he carry very good form come the World Cup.
So, but I want to ask you now, among all the players wey you see for this World Cup, now which player you think say play pass all the rest player wey go be the best player for this World Cup?
Me the best player for this World Cup. Me I pick Messi. Messi try. Mbappe try you, but Messi for this age, the performance wey he still show for this World Cup to carry your team come final, he come still perform for the final. Messi try abeg. I no see anybody for this age wey be like say he still dey play ball like am.
All right, now, Oga Austin, thank you for your time. Your face show. My country people, now loyal boy across where they loyal like loyal me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.